This is how it was in Finnish cities 60 years ago. The air was polluted. People often suffered from the cold in their apartments. All the heating systems were very basic and unreliable. But then what happened? The town started to grow and progress rapidly. District heating systems were developed and taken into use throughout Finland, and reliable heating started warming people's homes. Well, the beginning was not that easy, but over the decades, the Finnish energy industry developed enormously and created the operating models and standards in the energy field. This is Finland today. Numerous Finnish cities and companies in the energy field are acknowledged as the world's best operators due to their solutions in the energy sector. Finnish energy companies are financially stable. Some may find this hard to believe, but because of this, the state doesn't need to pour money into energy companies. Actually, it benefits from taxes. And of course, energy consumers are thankful for the lowest heating prices in Europe, and thus are left with more purchasing power. So what are the basic requirements of the world's best district heating system? Let's have a closer look. Back to basics. The starting point is always the consumer's heating demand. An effective district heating network is constructed so that the premises are separated from the district heating network. The premises are always equipped with individual heating substations and measurement equipment. Thermal regulation systems can be adjusted separately in each flat and house. In addition, radiator networks in buildings are adjustable. The consumer equipment is fitted specifically for the consumer's need, so he doesn't invest nor pay for unnecessary investments, and the equipment is well adjustable. One more noteworthy fact is that the energy received by the consumer is inexpensive and reliable compared to any other country. All of the district heating network circuits are closed, well-insulated units. The water in the district heating network is oxygen-free, so it doesn't cause corrosion, and so leakages don't occur. It's a bit chilly outside, but inside, the fuel is converted into transferable energy. This is a modern power plant where heat and electricity production is combined. This is the most sought-after solution. In solid fuel-run plants, bubbling bed combustion and circulating bed combustion boiler solutions are commonly used because of their very high efficiency coefficient and low emissions. Its efficiency coefficient is outstanding since the airflow through the combustion chamber makes the fuel float, and the constant mixing of the fuel increases the transfer of heat and gases. Operationally and economically best boiler solutions are always used in the Finnish operating model in the energy sector. A basic requirement for the efficient operation of the boiler plant is dimensioning of the boiler. In Finland, boilers are always dimensioned taking into account the consumer's needs and the district heating network's transfer capacity. This guarantees a good annual efficiency coefficient of the plant. Engineering, construction, and maintenance of the district heating network and the boiler plants are done systematically and with care. The quality management system always contains optimized components which are selected based on analyzed data. What does this all mean to the consumer? Reliability, speed, and thus cost efficiency.
I think the idea would be to get that out of the cellar before you have the shower. Good man, Wilson. I was wondering who would be first to spot that.
Why destroy natural resources if there's the opportunity to save huge amounts of them using efficient CHP solutions? For example, local biofuels such as wood chips, peat, and waste, as well as recycled fuels, can be used in fluidized bed combustion boilers. Finnish boiler solutions enable effective combined heat and power production. With CHP solutions, Finland substantially reduces its fuel consumption. When all needed steps are done, how big are the savings of this world's most productive system? They are enormous. While in Finland, the energy consumer pays the least in Europe. Energy companies are financially stable, and the state collects taxes both from the consumed energy and the energy company's revenues. Now I'm very excited about this possibility. Technology has been developed extensively, and nowadays a consumer can adjust the temperature at home by using his mobile phone. In Finland, there is no state regulation in the energy field, and the activity is based on free competition, which makes flexible development and new solutions possible in the future. For example, district heating business activity is not regulated with its own legislation at all. Although Finland is the coldest country in the EU, the Finnish district cooling sector is the most rapidly growing one. By means of district cooling, customers' comfort and living conditions are more cost-effective. At the same time, using this network and pumps, the heat energy in cities is collected to be recycled and reused. Could there be any better way to save? Why then choose the Finnish customer-oriented operating model and system? I'll tell you. The Finnish energy sector's operating model is checked in practice and tested in extreme conditions. It also improves energy companies' competitiveness and revenues. It improves the state's and the region's competitiveness and economy. The model is reliable and guarantees effective economic activity. And finally, the most important thing. Others offer only parts of the system. Only Finland can offer the whole package from start to finish. And in addition, a partnership which ensures that the system continues to run smoothly. If I were a decision maker, the choice would be clear, because the Finnish expertise is a solution for the future.